Yes, it's 2 a.m. in the morning and both boys have decided to wake up. So we using the time to charge our car, might as well drive back home. I know we absolutely overpacked, but all of this, including the pram, would fit into the trunk and the front, leaving leg space for all of the seats inside the car. Hello.
Hello.
Keep watching on to find out how we all end up here.
I don't want to sit in the back.
That's a lot of cows. This is actually crazy. We're driving inside a cloud.
도착한. 바이바이. 김똥빵똥. 우리 어디가?
지아노.
맞아, 지아 누나 만나러 가지. 하나님 좋은 날씨를 주셔서 감사드립니다. 3시간이나 운전해야 되는데 사고 나지 않고 무사하게 좋은 시간 될 수 있게 해주세요.
마미.
예수님의 이름으로 기도했습니다.
아멘.
아멘.
Welcome to our first family road trip with the Tesla Model Y.
예!
So we've been to Canberra a few times before because my cousin lives there. We used to go there all the time using the Model 3. Now, we couldn't go there all in one go because we didn't have enough range in that car. We always had to stop at the Goulburn supercharger. It gave us a bit of a toilet break, but other than that, like for 40 minutes with a baby in the car as well, it was just a bit much. Now, we get to go all in one go and we have a whopping 30% of battery left over after 262 kilometers of driving. I think that's nuts. We're so happy that we get to go all in one go. We'll see what happens because the kids might want to get off for lunch or something like that. But let's go! Yeah! Before 만들어줘? Number 5. Okay.
Now let's see. Whoa, what a nice angle. Look. Whoa. Here you go. 5. Here you go. What do you say? Now we installed this correctly, so hopefully he won't have to. Never mind. Sure, 7. 7.
가자.
Thank you. 진짜 똥꼬지. This morning, Ayan was playing with one of the magnet tower that Asha made, and Asha went to Ian and said, "김똥빵 뭐 하는 거야?" We call Asha Kim Tongpang because when he was a baby, he was very tong tong pang pang. What's your name? Asha. 아니야, 이 naughty bum bum.
Daddy naughty bum bum. 아재 cutie bum bum.
자세 cutie
맞아,
bum
맞아.
bum이야. 자세 cutie bum.
Ian suddenly woke up from his nap and he started crying uncontrollably. So we're doing a quick stop at a resting area and there's a little pond here. Quite a lot of people using this space. It's a little cafe, some locals selling some fruit and a public toilet.
But there's a poo here.
Be careful of the poo. It's okay, baby.
No, that's not a puppy poo.
Human. They couldn't make it to the toilet. You okay?
Yes. 물 어디 있어? 맞아. 빽빽이는 어디 있어?
다른 데서 있어 보여.
물 안에 있어? 물 안에서 뭐 하고 있대?
코코 잡고.
물 안에서 코코 자? 빽빽이 물 안에서 코코 못 잘 텐데?
Alright, we're gonna get going again, but the kids have requested that mommy sits at the back.
But it's fine because I have enough space for my bum bum. That's a TMI.
Alright, let's go, babies.
Take 2.
Take 2.
No, take 3 or 4 or 5.
Before we continue on with our trip, let me quickly introduce you to our sponsor for today, BestEVmods. This is what the original compartments look like. You have to reach to the ends of the earth to find your key out of 100 things that are in there. And this armrest compartment is pretty uncomfortable and we feel like the leather stains so often. When you open it up, again, you have to dig through piles and piles of stuff to find whatever you need. With BestEVmod's 5-piece center console organizer, you can find what you need where you need it. We have separate compartments for hand creams, your EV RFID cards, your coins, and your stash of cash. Boop! Yay! We still rich. And this beautiful leather pad will now protect our car from any further staining or damage on the actual leather. Also at the front, you have a sliding compartment organizer which you can use to place your keys. No longer do you have to dig through loads of stuff just to get your keys out to get into your garage. Also within the package is a non-slip charging pad which you can use for everyday use. We just got back from Canberra and we washed the car quickly, and I gotta tell you, the space behind the wheels was absolutely filthy. Perhaps you're watching this video and planning your own road trip with the Tesla Model Y. I thought I'd introduce you to the BestEVmod mud flaps, which we are going to install right now for our everyday use.
Ew.
That's what we're trying to prevent in the future with the mud flaps. Alright, the mud flaps are fully installed. Took us around 20 minutes. If you're also interested in buying some of these accessories, please check out the link in the description below. But let's get back to the video. Little duet. A couple of things I thought I'll mention on the way there. Listen to how silent the drive is. It looks like we're going pretty slow, but we're going 115. And the drive itself is super smooth. We didn't feel a thing. Let's say I was going a little bit over the speed limit and it just felt so smooth I didn't even notice. And another thing was, I saw a lot of reporting on Tesla Owners Australia of owners saying the refreshed Model 3 and Y tend to do a lot of phantom braking, which is when the car stops itself without there being an obstacle in front. But I haven't noticed that once as of yet. I was using autopilot maybe half of the trip, so more than 1 hour drive. But yeah, no issues. I could be biased, but I think the hardware 4 autopilot drives way better than hardware 3. The auto steer seems to be really smooth and it hasn't done any phantom braking as of yet, so I'm pretty happy with the experience. That's a lot of cows, black cows. Okay, this is absolute nuts. I did not expect this at all. Look at the screen. We're on our way to Canberra, so we're in between two average speed cameras. Now, Tesla knows this and is giving me the current average and the remaining kilometers left between these cameras. Like what even? This is actually crazy. This is amazing. Technology at its best. This just may be the best road trip family SUV ever. We only have 45 minutes left. What are your thoughts?
My thoughts on what?
How's this car as road tripping? How do you feel?
Good.
Nice one.
I can't do a bit of a detail, but very good. Okay. Very, very good. You like? Oh,
What?
there was a dead kangaroo.
I saw a dead dingo on the way here.
Oh no! D-I-N-G-O.
D-I-N-G-O.
In Australia lives a dog and Dingo is his name. Oh,
No, the car is good. Compared to Model 3, it's really good because it's big. See, Ian doesn't want me to speak.
Anyway, the car is really good and it's really spacious and really comfortable. And most of it all, I can fit in the back. But I don't want to sit in the back. I want to sit here. And the most important part, we don't need a charge.
Okay. Ian doesn't want me to whisper to him, so I'll just... Bye. A cloud on the ground. That's pretty cool.
Just one more mountain. I find it
We're like driving into the clouds.
You got cloud.
We're driving into the cloud.
Oh, no, thing.
Oh, on the hot sunny day too. We're driving inside a cloud. Literally, look at this. What? Like
Just
just in
신기하다.
front of us. Oh my goodness.
도착함.
Okay, we're all going a bit crazy, but we're here after 3 hours.
Yay! No.
우리 저 가자. 우리 저.
bye bye.
We made it to Canberra City in one piece. So from here, we're gonna spend quality time with our cousin's family. Hope you have a way better idea of how the Tesla Model Y Juniper performs as a family SUV on road trips. But that's it. So I guess we'll see you at the next one. Bye bye. Yes, it's 2 a.m. in the morning